Did you look after baby Josephine today?
Josephine hungry. Josephine cried.
Oh, was she hungry? That's why she cried?
Josephine cried.
Wirings and everything. Ayan, sobrang messy tingnan. Babes, welcome back to our channel. It is Thursday and magto-2:30 na pala siya ng hapon. Magla-lunch break na sana ako guys. Kaya lang, hindi muna ako makakaalis ng bahay kasi I am waiting for something. So earlier today, may nakita ako sa Facebook Marketplace na isang desk na katulad kay Daddy Mike kung saan siya nag-work. Ayan oh, yan. Actually, ang tagal ko na talagang naghanap, guys. Pero, yung mga nagbebenta kasi sa Facebook Marketplace, hindi sila nagdi-deliver. And unfortunately, kasi wala naman tayong van, wala naman tayong trailer, so hindi natin pwedeng ma-pick up. Hindi naman siya mag-fit sa sasakyan natin, di ba? Luckily, yung nakita ko kaninang umaga, they do delivery. And ipakita ko sa inyo, guys, kung ano yung nakita ko. Ayan. Ito siya. Maybe hindi siya makita kasi white, guys. Oh, ayan. Ayan siya. So, originally, this is from IKEA. And, sabi nung may-ari na, it's still in new condition. And, magdi-deliver sila. Kailangan mo nga lang magbayad. Which is fine with me naman. Sabi niya, I'm not too sure kung gaano sila kalayo dito, guys. But, she is charging me $15 para sa delivery. And the desk itself, it is $40. So, all in all, it's $55. But I think it's not too bad, guys. Kumpara sa yung ako pa yung bibili, ako pa yung magpipick up. I think for the convenience na lang din, I'm very happy to pay $15 for the delivery. Kaya hindi ako nakaalis, guys, kasi nag-message siya sa akin na she will be here in 30 minutes. And, yeah. Kaya yun, nandito lang ako sa bahay. Si Daddy Mike pala, nag-lunch na siya kaninang mga 12 o'clock yata. Hindi kami nagsama kasi may hinintay kasi siyang parcel, guys. So, yung parcel niya kasi, kailangan ng signature kapag dineliver dito. So, pag wala kang tao dito sa bahay, dadalhin nila ulit sa post office, tapos pipick upin mo na dun. And we just want to avoid that hassle. Kaya, sabi ni Daddy Mike na dito na lang muna ako sa bahay, tapos siya yung magla-lunch break. And then, nung pagkabalik niya, ako na sana yung aalis. Kaya lang, ito nga yung natin, yung tawag dito, yung desk natin, kailangan nating hintayin. And the reason why bumili ako ng bagong desk, guys, ayaw na ayaw ko talaga sana. Kasi sobra ng mga bagay-bagay dito sa bahay at parang lumiliit na yung space namin dito. But because of the pandemic, guys, I think the working from home situation namin ngayon ay medyo matagal-tagalan pa. And hindi ako bumili before kasi yung ginamit ko is this yung coffee table, yung center table na dito. Ayan, yan yung ginagamit ko kapag nag-work ako during weekdays. Tapos, napag-isipan ko kasi medyo matagal na siya, guys. Nag-start ako mag-work from home since March. And akala ko na makakabalik na kami ng office by July, ganun. But, yeah, for now, I think hindi kami makakabalik ng opisina for a while. Kaya sabi ko, very messy kasi siya tingnan, guys. Tingnan nyo, nakikita nyo naman siguro sa mga vlogs natin, di ba? Mga wirings and everything. Ayan, sobrang messy tingnan. Kaya napag-isipan ko na bumili ako ng desk para maibalik na natin yung coffee table natin dito sa gitna. And then, it will look a bit tidy. You know what I mean? So, yan. Kaya yung gagawin natin, guys, hintayin lang natin. I think he'll be here very soon. It's here now, guys. Ayan. So, this is what it looks like. So, merong butas dito para sa mga wirings. Ayan. So, yeah, that's perfect talaga. And I think anong tawag dito, yung width naman niya, perfect talaga dun sa, sa part na yun kung saan ako nag-work. So, that's what it looks like, guys. Tapos, meron pang drawer na ganito. Ayan, oh. It looks really new pa talaga. Yeah, I love it. okay lang nabilhin natin yan guys for now. Kasi one day, if ever na kailangan na natin bumalik sa opisina, we can always resell it. Kaya, yeah, that's okay. Mamaya ko na yan siya i-organize kasi meron pang mga ano, tingnan nyo. Mga kuryente dyan, mga wirings. So, mamaya ko na yan siya i-organize sa siguro pagkatapos ko ng work mamayang hapon. And now, magbibihis lang muna ako guys kasi pupunta ako ng chemist for my lunch break. And yeah, I'll see you again soon. So ayan guys, finally nakalabas din tayo ng bahay. It is now 3:09. Ayan, at ngayon lang magla-lunch break si atin nyo. As you can see, nandito ako ngayon sa sasakyan. Pupunta ako ng chemist warehouse kasi may bibilhin ako. So, yung bibilhin ko lang talaga sa chemist warehouse guys is yung vitamins for Paris. I mentioned it plenty of times before sa ating mga videos na si Paris ay super fussy eater talaga. And again, na-mention ko din na maybe because nagpapadede pa ako, kaya sobrang picky siya sa mga pagkain niya. Anyways, napag-isipan ko lang. Last week kasi nakausap namin yung maternal and child nurse for Paris' 2 years check-up. Kasi sobrang late na nung check-up na yun guys. Kasi nung nag 2 years old si Paris last March, doon nag-start yung pandemic, diba? Tapos nag-lockdown na and also hindi na namin nadala si Paris para pumunta sa kanyang 2-year-old check-up, ganun. So, we've done it over the phone last week. And sinabi nga namin doon sa nurse na ganito, ganyan. Paris is very picky with yung mga pagkain na kinakain niya. And sabi niya na try to give her some vitamins. And yun yung gagawin ko ngayon guys. Pupunta tayo ng chemist warehouse. And I try na yung bilhin natin is yung, anong tawag dun, yung parang gummy bear, bitaw yung mukha niya. So, I've seen that one in the chemist before. And we'll see if they have it available right now. Yun yung bibilhin natin. Hi guys! Nakauwi na ako sa bahay and I'll just quickly show you the stuff that I bought from the shops. So firstly, pumunta ako ng chemist warehouse. And ito pala yung binili ko guys. Ito, Vita Gummies for fussy eaters. Ayan, for Paris. Ayan. And hopefully makakatulong yan siya guys. And while nandun na ako, bumili na rin ako ng mga bagay na kailangan ko from the chemist. Bumili ako ng cotton pads. And then, binigyan ko si Paris ng mga snacks niya. Ayan. Apple and raspberry snack bars. And then, we got little quacker. Ayan. And then, the last one here is bubble bath. Ayan. Para mas ma-enjoy ni Paris yung kanyang bath. Bubble bath. And then, sa harap ng chemist warehouse, guys, merong supermarket. Pumunta ako ng IGA at ito yung nabili ko doon. Bumili ako ng juice for Paris. Ayan. And then, this one, lemon, lime, and bitters for me. And guys, juicy fruit. It's been a long time talaga na na-try ko to. Maybe nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako. Kaya binili ko na guys. I miss the taste ba. And you know what guys? Si Paris kasi, alam niyo naman na si Paris ay very fussy, very smart. Kaya yung ginawa ko, bumili ako ng ganito. Actually, suggestion to siya ni Daddy Mike. Kasi, di ba isa lang yung ibibigay mo na ganito? Ayan. Baka mapansin ni Paris na something is different. Like, bakit isa lang yung binigay sa akin ni Mami? Ganyan. So, bibigyan namin siya ng isa. At the same time, bigyan namin siya ng isa na ganito. Ayan. Ano pala ito? Gummy bears. Ayan. So, we'll see if mag-work siya, guys. And then, may napansin ba kayong bulaklak dyan, guys? Sa background natin. Ayan. Meron tayong tulips, lonely people in the room. Wale! Ayan. Super nice, guys. Sa IGA din to siya. Nung nakita ko to siya, guys, binili ko siya kasi it was calling me talaga. Like, Jovey, buy me. Ganon. Meron talagang ganong effect. Tinawag niya talaga yung pangalan ko, kaya binili ko na. And then, naisip ko naman, kasi meron nga tayong bagong, tignan nyo sa likod, bagong desk, diba, para sa work. I think it will look cute kung meron pang space, kasi I think mapupuno na yung space ng desk na yan with my laptop and my screen. So, we'll see. Pag may space pa, guys, ilalagay natin dito. It will look really, really nice. And this was for $10 lang, guys. So, super affordable niya. And yung mga bulaklak niya, meron na palang mga nakabuka na doon pero hindi ko siya kinuha. Yung kinuha ko yung close pa kasi para matagal pa siyang malanta. Ayan. Nice one! So, ito yung current situation ko, guys. Ayan. So, itong para dyan sana sa coffee table namin, ito yung ginagamit ko at sa sahig ako nakaupo. Kasi nga, akala ko temporary lang yun ba. Like, I thought it's only for, I don't know, a couple of months. Pero, sobrang matagal pala. Kaya, ayan. So, yung gagawin ko ngayon, dadalhin ko na ngayon dito yung bago nating desk. And we'll put it back in the middle. And then, i-organize natin ang ating bagong setup. I'm very excited. Kaya, ayan guys, oh. Tingnan niyo yung mga wirings. Kaya, very messy talaga siya tingnan. Especially pag nagba-vlog tayo, ganyan. Yeah, it doesn't look very nice. Kaya, yun. We'll fix that problem today. O, diba guys? Mas malinis talaga siyang tingnan. From here, tapos yung, nakabalik na dito. And then dyan. Hayaan nyo na yung mga damit sa likod guys. O, kasi umuulan sa labas. Dito kami sa loob ng bahay sasampay ng mga damit. Pero it looks much better talaga, diba? Sobra. And you know what I love the most about it, guys, is that yung hindi na sumasakit yung likod ko, hindi na sumasakit yung bato ko. At ito pala yung positive quote of the day natin. I have been given endless talents which I begin to utilize today. There you go. Sa mga nakakagusto ng ating mga positive quotes, ayan para sa inyo. Nasa labas na ako ng school ni Paris, guys. And ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung vitamins niya. Ayan. So, it looks like that. May parang mga sugar siya ba? Pero, raspberry flavor siya. So, isa lang yung ibibigay ko sa kanya. And we'll see if magustuhan niya, guys. At the same time, meron akong ganito. Ayan. Ito yung gustong-gusto niya talaga. So, hopefully, similar lang yung kanilang taste para hindi masyadong maanuhan si Paris. We'll see if magustuhan to ni Paris, guys. I'll update you later. Is that Paris?
This is baby parrot.
What's mommy's name?
Jovey.
What's the name of the baby, Nak?
Jovey.
Who?
Jovey.
Josephine.
What is that?
What was that?
It's knocking.
Who's knocking?
It's knocking. What?
Did you look after baby Josephine today?
Jovey hungry. Jovey cry.
Oh, was she hungry? That's why she cried?
Jovey cry.
Oh. She okay now?
It's not a place to go. I need the pizza.
Oh, okay. Mama will open. Push. Can you help Mama push? Good girl.
Red.
Red.
Yellow.
Yeah, tinitingnan niya yung sign. Shush! Bulingit mo kay Kanak. What did you eat?
Baby, ang AP. Look, I'm going this.
Listen more now. Look at your face. Look at your face. Are you dirty? Did you eat anything? What's in your mouth? Have a look. Oh. What did you eat? What did you eat?
I ate pizza.
Pizza? Wow, yummy! Paris.
Hello,
Eating gummy bear.
this is gummy bear.
Yay! Telling lies.
No, mommy.
Open your mouth. Good job. Inuunti-unti niya, guys.
Mommy.
Yes, Paris.
Eating gummy bear.
Yes, Paris.
It's blow.
What's that?
Blowing.
Blowing. You guys, oh. Pinapakiramdaman niya muna ang kinakain niya. Is that a baby blowing, Nak? Is that a baby blowing? Is that you? Is that you?
Play blow.
Ay, kinain niya. Is that Paris blowing?
What's that? Paris.
Yeah. Is that Paris? That's Paris. The Paris. Eating gummy bear.
This is mommy.
Ay, thank you Lord. Naubos niya
Kini
guys.
yay. No, my other
At least alam ko guys na kakainin niya. It's now 6:40 ng gabi guys and we are getting our dinner ready. What we're having for tonight, Daddy?
Salmon.
Salmon and
Salad.
salad. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan. Pero kay Daddy lang to siya guys. Yung sa akin ay rice. Daddy cooked rice too. Okay. Come here, honey. Come this way. Hi. What are we having? What would you like?
Gummy bear.
What's that? We'll eat dinner first, okay? We'll eat dinner and we'll have gummy bear, okay? What's that? What's this? Salt. Gabi? Salt. Salt.
Excuse me, guys.
Dito na kami sa bathroom, guys. Kasi maghugas na ng mukha si Paris at magto-toothbrush. Pero, tingnan nyo, nagbit-bit pa ng kanyang ampaw. Show them na. Show them your food. What are you eating? Gabi, ampaw. Okay. Ampaw. Si mami niyo pala ay nakahilamos na guys. And gamit ko yung ating ating beauty derm. Ayan oh. So naghilamos ako una kasi para ano tawag nito? Si Paris na lang yung alagaan natin ngayon.
It's real.
What is that?
Taronis.
What's this?
This is my apple can.
What's that?
My apple. It's my apple can.
The octopus is gone. Ah, what's this?
How do I fish can is this?
Hmm?
Oh, a beach.
What's that?
It's a beach.
It's a beach.
This is, where's the jellyfish gone? Where's the jellyfish?
What?
I feel my.
I feel like money's careful na. Move here. So, ayan guys, nasa bed na tayo. It is now 9:30 ng gabi and ang ating baby girl ay naglalaro pa rin. Oh my Lord. Okay lang yan guys kasi bukas Friday wala naman siyang childcare. So, okay lang na medyo late siyang magising. Anyways, maraming salamat guys for always watching our videos. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel. And yeah, welcome pala sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Sana na-enjoy na yung vlogs natin. And now we're just going to do a quick shout out as always. Shout out to Janzi Pinay, Australia, LV Real, Cherry Salazar. Shout out daw to Corlina, Alexa, and Eileen Suganov, Salazar and your Rishal family in Silay City, Negros Occidental. Shout out to Helen Potong. Shout out to Aroma Tea, Honey Bee. Shout out to Teresa Villar, Waverly VIC Chatlani, Reina Mabatid, good morning po. Shout out to Lina de los Santos, Ruby de la Rosa, Gemeline Tato, Evert Suta 53, Kane Bernales, Daya Magallanes. Shout out to Bernadette Escocio, Gladys Mandanhuyan and to her family. Shout out to Viviel Hilario, Telma Estor, Daya Magallanes. Shout out to Jessica Dailisan, Edna Bartulay, Medin Maraon, Ala Maria's Vlog, Catherine Villegas, Mary Ann Cardoza, Rosalyn Pasigado, Riz Channel, and Hannah Sarumenes. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Don't take it off, Anna. I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye! Mwah! Do you want to say bye na? Bye! Oh! Bye!